Describe your home. I live in a house in Dong Nai. It is a small, nice house with a garden. I live there with my parents and my little brother. I like my house because it is quiet and safe. We often play in the garden and have meals together. My house is very comfortable and makes me happy. Where do you live?
I live in a house in Dong Nai.
What kind of house is it?
It is a small, nice house with a garden.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my little brother.
Why do you like your house?
I like it because it is quiet and safe.
What do you do in the garden?
We often play in the garden.
What do you do with your family?
We have meals together.
How does your house make you feel?
It makes me happy because it is comfortable.